So hello guys, welcome to our channel gossipfunda. My name is Tejas Koshti. Now today's we'll look how to join HypeSquad. So to join HypeSquad, what you need to do, just go to the user settings and scroll down. Here you find one option that is HypeSquad. Just click here. As you see, they have three houses, that is bravery, brilliance and balance. Okay, if you play this video you find all this history of these batches. Okay, if you join batches, you get one badge which is show in your profile as you click your profile. So here you see all the batches, and also you join the squad challenge. Okay, whenever the challenge was released, you participate it and you join these challenges and win something. So how to join this hyper squad? So what you need to do, just click here hyper join squad, and here they give the 5 question, answer any question. As you are answering that type you batch you got. So I'm clicking anything. And as you see, I got a bravery house. I selected for a bravery house. So just close, and here see that is my batch. If you don't satisfy this batch, if you want to change, so just click here, take the test again, and you switch your batches or houses. So when I click my profile, as you see here, my one batch was added. So that's it guys, here the simple method how to join HypeSquad. And here you see you are in HypeSquad, so I get it message. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give the big thumbs up, and please give the big thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to check out our gossipfunda YouTube channel. Here you see the latest tech related videos which help you in your day-to-day life. So please like, share and subscribe for our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.